I wonder if I can get in here. All right, I got in without the gate code. All right, let's find my location here. That's not it. There's 7, 8, 9, 40. This is it right here. All right. Let me let the client know that we got in. All right. Let's go take a look. Ah, okay. That's how that works. All right. Whew. What is this? Bed frame, some chairs, ironing board. What else we got here? Mattress, box spring. All right, nice. All right, let's get started. All right. I'm working by myself today. Zach works part-time at the golf course. And so today's his day to work at the golf course. So this Thursday I'm working by myself. All right, what next? Yeah, let's just do the mattresses. Oh, shit. Got to check the mattresses for bed bugs and everything. Usually you look in the corners and creases and everything. Anyway, when I first saw that, I thought, oh my goodness, that looks like rat droppings right there. It's a shame because the mattress is in pretty good shape. this? Tables. Table. Little end tables. Alright. Let's get this going. Put this. Let's put it on top. Forgot to bring my speaker with me today. Usually I got little tunes playing when I'm working. Helps time go by. All right. There we go. Let's do the next biggest thing. Yeah, there's some rats living in here. Looks like college dorm furniture. I don't know what the story is on this one, but the clients now live in Texas. So, you know, why drive all the way back to Texas to haul this stuff back when you can just call us and we'll take care of everything. I tell you, it's you can feel the humidity out today, and man, I tell you, when you go from working in the winter time and then it's got to. All right, just getting everything packed in here. You know, we got some things that are recyclable. You got some things that are donatable. Items like this, you don't want to take to the donation center. Donation centers will see this, and you know, they're not going to be able to sell this, even cleaning it up. Same thing like this. I mean, this is good disposable. This stuff will go in the landfill. But, you know, you'd be surprised what you see people drop off at the donation center that they just, I mean, it's junk. And you got to keep in mind, it's a retail location that they are selling for profit, and they need to sell it quick because they don't have a lot of room on the showroom floor. And you don't want to be, you know, loading up with junk, you know, things that, because what will happen is they have to pay for a dumpster and they dump a lot of the junk off. So, you know, I see a lot of stuff that's being donated that just should be taken to the landfill, recycled, but some things just are not donatable, and you don't want to increase their cost. All right, got everything cleaned out here. Awesome. It didn't take too long, and that's what we got. Now I need to go ahead and take some pictures and send them to the client, let them know we got it emptied out, and send them the link for payment. Just make an easy process for customers. You know, client that's out of town, you've got a storage unit that needs to be cleared out, you're tired of paying. I mean, why pay a storage unit for this items right here? That's not even worth whatever your monthly payment is. You know, might as well give us a call and let us clean it out. You send us a key, gate code, and we'll clear it out, and we can donate what we can, recycle, and then the rest that needs to go to the landfill, we'll take it to the landfill. But give us a call, 205-202-1101. My name is Kevin. It's Haul Squad Junk Removal. We're a local company here in Helena, Alabama. We service the Hoover, Pelham, Alabaster, Greater Birmingham area. We're not a franchise. We're a small family business.